This video tutorial is about no SIM then no service on iPhone 6s. That is serious problem can be found on iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, 7 Plus and 8 too. This video covers the 100% solution for that issues. See the videos carefully. Skip on videos makes important section missing. I saw a video on the topic removing charging flex and insert it again, then the problem solved. But that is not the ultimate solution. Here you can see IMEI and modem firmware shows. Type asterisk has 06 has, then no IMEI shows. Here must be IMEI shown, means RF related faults. Power of iPhone, remove all screw. Let's observe PCB, looks fine, no prior repair sign. Remove protection flame. There is no water damage sign. I am here WTR found faulty and replaced new one. But unfortunately, the problem is still same. Then I also changed BBPMU too. After doing all the solution, the problem is still same. Sometimes network shows too. I also check the sorting on network section. To all are as usual. This iPhone is slightly battery down too. So I found the problem on PP 3-volt LAT connection, but not solved. There is some problem on signal. No any WTR, BBPMU and BBCPU. Saints, YXORA. This trick that I apply can solve such issues on any model. If the BBPMU fail to get XTAL and XO data, such problem appears. If you need guide for that process, contact me through Facebook page or DM me on Insta. It's free for all. We are here for your help, not to make money by selling solutions. Thanks for staying with us. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends, and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution, and peace out till the next time.